Right, ladies and gents, this is everything you need to know for internal features 91379. It's a four credit standard. There's possibly going to be one long extended question with multiple parts. Right, the first thing that you need to know is about change management. You should have some notes on that on an A4 sheet of paper, which lists everything I'm about to explain to you. You should know the causes of change management. This might be changes in management or changes in customers. There's some bullet point notes on that sheet of paper. You should be able to find those. Inertia is the reasons why, if you do implement change management, why people don't like it and the resistance that they have to change. There's about 4 or 5 reasons on that piece of paper for that. The final thing is there are 6 change management strategies. What I suggest you do is you know 2 incredibly well. You should be able to fully explain 2 advantages and disadvantages of those strategies. Sorry, 1 each. 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage of each strategy, and that's your change management strategies. The next section is innovation. The first thing that you need to know is the difference between innovation versus invention. And the basic difference is invention, they're both innovation and invention are new ideas, but only innovation has commercialization. You can only make a profit out of an innovation. Then you have to know the difference between product and process innovation and be able to fully explain those. Well, what's the impact of product and process innovation? So you need to know the advantages of each. Product innovation is new or improved products. Process innovation is new or improved distribution or production of products. Yeah. Basically, the major advantage of product innovation is it increases sales. Meanwhile, the major improvement in process innovation is it makes your process more productive. This will reduce cost of production and therefore increase profitability that way. The next section you need to know in innovation is about the cultures to improve innovation. And the one you really need to be able to explain is a task culture. This is where a group of specialists come together to complete a task. The reason why it's such a benefit is because you get all those different specialisms come together and it creates a great way of improving products. The example for Air New Zealand is Sky Couch. You should have some notes on Sky Couch, and I think it's called Shed 57, but I'm not quite sure. But Sky Couch is the major one. The next thing you have to know about, and there's an A4 sheet on this, is intellectual property. You should know the 3 types. You should know the difference between copyrights, patents, and trademarks. Trademarks protect logos, patents protect physical designs, and copyrights protect ideas. You should know the different 2 types of international patent protection, which is patent treaties. This is where you join in with another group of people, another group of countries, and all those countries say they'll share the same patents. Or you have to go individually into each country, and that is incredibly expensive because you have to go through different legal systems in each country, and that's a major advantage of that. The next section, I think it's the final section, is quality management. Quality management, you shouldn't, first thing, know the difference between quality management, quality control, and quality assurance. Quality management is the whole topic. The whole topic is called quality management. Meanwhile, quality control is a strategy where things are checked at the end. Quality assurance is where things are checked at all the stages during production. When you do quality management, there's no clear definition of quality. That's because different quality means different things to different people. So there's no clear definition, but you should be able to know ways of measuring quality. The major ways of measuring quality is number of returns or that customers give to you, or customer satisfaction surveys. That will give you a clear way of measuring your quality. Finally, the strategies that you should need to know. You need to know 2 of these strategies really, really well. I suggest you do lots of revision on TQM and Kaizen, and you should be fully explain the advantages and disadvantages of each. There are sheets on TQM and Kaizen. The major disadvantage of both of these is that it means a complete change in the business culture. If you've got a top-down business culture where boss workers around, that can't work with TQM and Kaizen because employees are supposed to be given suggestions. And therefore, the major disadvantages of change management process, this will take time and reduce productivity in the short term. iOS 9001 is the example for Air New Zealand for this. Air New Zealand Engineering Services, you should have notes on that. And this is everything that you should need to know for internal features. Thank you.